All right, welcome everybody. As you can see here, we're doing something a little different. As I've just gotten done with the Next Auth tutorial series, I've ran into a lot of pain points and I decided to document them. And I've actually found I can automate just about all of this. I can automate my thumbnail creation by passing in a list of JSON. I can automate video editing. I decided to use Remotion that we'll play around with. I can automate the YouTube upload. There's a handy YouTube upload package so I can post programmatically, generate descriptions. As generating directories for each video, I actually haven't looked into this one just yet, but I'm sure it's pretty simple with Node. And this automating recording settings is all very accessible as well. So let's dig in.